Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now moving on to the set, what do we have? So we have boss key. There are 5 locks L1 to L5, which are 5 distinct keys K1 to K5, not necessarily in the same order. Now a lock can be unlocked if and only if the correct key is used. 5 people A, B, C, D and F try to unlock the locks by using a different key lock key combination. A person is awarded 2 points for each lock that he or she unlocks, and the 5 people end up with distinct scores at the end of the exercise. Now, the table given below shows the lock key combination tried by the 5 participants. So, guys, if you know that there are 5 participants, okay, so what is the minimum possible score? 0. Then the score is 2, 4, 6, and 10. Okay? A score of 8 is not possible because if a person is getting 4 right, then definitely automatically the fifth one gets a right. Okay. So that means one, and because they have distinct scores, so these people have scores of 0, 2, 4, 6, and 10. So these are the scores that they have. Okay. Chalo. Now what you can do is, now we do not know anything about ki bhai, which lock has which key. Okay. We are unsure about it. So let's say कि भाई Amy gets, so in this type of cases sets now, best thing is you consider that first person gets the 10 points. So if first person gets 10 points, what is going to happen is that Binny is going to get 0 over here, 0 for L2, 2 points for L3, 0 for L4 and 2 points over here. So she is going to get 4. C is going to get 0 in L1, 0 in L2, 0 in L3, 0 in L4, 0 in L5. So it's a 0. Then D is going to get 0 in, 2 in L1, 2 in L2, 2 in L3. Okay, so 6 points over here. Okay, and Finn is going to get what? 0 over here, 0 over here, 2 over here, 0 over here, and 0 over here. Okay, so this satisfies the criteria. Okay, this satisfies the criteria. So this could be case 1. Okay, this is case 1. You have A, B, C, D, and F. And the scores could be 10, 4, 0, 6, and 2. Okay, but this is not the only case that you should try for. Like there is a possibility that by more cases are there. So what you will do is you consider that B guy getting a perfect 10. So if B guy has got a perfect 10, then what is going to happen is key boss A is going to get a 0 in L1, 0 in L2, 2 in L3, 0 in L4, and 0 in and 2 in L5. Okay. So if B is 10, then A is 4, but C is 0 in L1, 0 in L2, 0 in L3, 2 in L4, 0 in L5. So 2 is C is 2. Okay, C is 2. Then D is what? D is 0 in L1, 0 in L2, 2 in L3. Then you have, okay, so it's a 2 again. Now this case is not possible, right? So you have to check it for every person. So now C is consider C as 10. Okay, chalo, C is 10. So if C is 10, then what you have is ki boss A becomes a 0 in that case. Okay, A becomes a 0. Talk about B. So B becomes what? B becomes a 2. Talk about D. So D becomes what? D becomes a 2. So again, 2 people have got 2 points. So that's not possible. Consider D as the person scoring 10. So what do we have is, was D is the person with 10 points. So what is C? So C becomes, in that case, C becomes a person with 2 points. F becomes a person with 4 points. B becomes a person with 1, 2, 3, okay, 6 points. And in that case, A should be a person with 0 points, but A is also getting 2 points. So that's also not possible. Now check if F is 10. So if F is 10, so then what do we have? What case do we have? So check with L4, check with D. So with D, if you check, you will find that D becomes a 4. Okay. Check with C, you find C becomes a 0. Check with B, you find B becomes a 6 and A becomes a 2. So these are the 2 cases that you have. Now moving on to the set questions. What is the least possible score of Diana? So basically D we are talking about. So least possible is 4. Minimum possible absolute difference between scores of Amy and Dina. So Amy can have scores of 10 and 2 and Dina can have scores of 6 and 4. So minimum possible gap if you want to have, so Amy can have 10 in Amy can have 10, D will have 6 in that case. That is a difference of 4. Or in the second case, when Amy has 2, D has 4, so there is a difference of 2. But because minimum difference is asked, so minimum difference is of 2, so option number A is the right answer. And if Finn scores less than Binny, so if Finn is scoring less than Binny, that is, this is the case we are talking about. Sum of scores of Amy and Dina is 10 plus 6, 16. So correct answer again is option number A. And with this, we have completed the set, guys. Hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching.